What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to install a lot of parts into my Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. So let me introduce you to you guys one by one why I want to be. So first of all we have this 2022 model year steering wheel. I like this design a lot, better than the one that's in my vehicle. And also we have the Sparco seat here, you guys can see. Carbon fiber Sparco seat. And also the last thing we are going to do is Squadra tuning performance logger and also the SGW bypass, so you can tune the car. And also we have the tail light that I'm not sure if I'm going to be installing in this video, but it's going on the car for sure. So yeah, let's get started and show you guys how to install or everything.
So before you start, you need to have all the tools prepared. So these all are basically all the tools that I use. So we have a 24mm socket. So this is for the bolts for the steering wheel, and also we have a TX45 to remove all the bolts under the seats in case you're changing the seat. This is the thing that you need to use when you trying to remove the airbag, and definitely this is the wrench that you need to use every time when you use these two things. And also we have the trim removal piece to install the SGW bypass. Alright, so before we starting, we will need to take off the headrest of the seat first, and then to adjust the seat position to take off the bolts, and then we can disconnect the battery so that we can take off the seat easily. So without removing the headrest, you won't be able to take off the regular seats because the seat is too big. You won't be able to take it out through the door, so you have to remove the headrest first. Closest one we have for now. Alright, now we got the regular seat out and we are putting the carbon seat back in there. The car will be looking good. Okay. Oh, 24 right. 24 and hex. Right here. Use this one. Will pop up. Hopefully it won't boom. this one. Okay. 固定住。哎。 As you guys can see, the seats are installed and also the steering wheel. I'm so tired right now. It took me about 2 hours for just the seat and the steering wheel, and I was trying to install the SGW bypass too, but I couldn't find a module, so I'm not professional, so I might have to send it to the shop to do it for me. Alright, so we got the car back with the Aero tail light, but I was unable to do a filming in the shop. But we have a problem here, is we need to do a proxy alignment to make it US road legal, because now is European configuration for the tail light. I will flash the light with the yellow light in there. So let me show you. Let me put into associate mode. So when I do the turning signal, it flashes with the yellow light too. So we need to make it only flashing the red part. So, and also another thing is, after installing the Sparco seat, let me start. So you guys can see, here we have flashing odometer. So we need to do a proxy alignment to get rid of that too. So